Write each rational number as decimal. Tell wherever each decimal is terminating or repeating decimal. In the first example, we have fraction 27 over 100. When we have fraction and in the denominator we have 10, 100, 1000, 10,000s, 100,000, 1 million, it's very easy to change this fraction to decimal. You have to write whatever you have on the top. This is 27. And now you have to just count how many zeros you have in the numerator. 2 zeros. So we just count from the right side to the left. 1, 2 digits because we have 2 zeros. 1, 2, and decimal point will be before 2. We can add 0. So 27 over 100 is 27 hundredths. Because this fraction we can rewrite as decimal. If you do long division, the long division end, so we can write that this decimal is terminating decimal. So when you have in the numerator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000s, you don't have to do long division to change rational number to decimal. You have to just copy whatever you have in numerator, in this example 27, and because we have 2 zeros in the numerator, just count from the right side to the left 2 digits, 1, 2, and add decimal point. And we have solution to the first example. To the second, we have 7 over 8. Now the numerator is different than 10, 100, 1000, so we will do long division. We have to divide 7 by 8. How many times you can put 8 to 7? You cannot put because 7 is less than 8. So we add at the end decimal point and few zeros, because when I add after decimal point 0, it doesn't change the value of number. It's like nothing. So still it's the 7 I can do. So I can do this. And now 7 divided by 8, I can write that this is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtraction. Decimal point we have to take above. And 7 minus 0 is 7. We take down first 0. 70 divided by 8 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. Now we have to do subtraction. 70 minus 64 is 6. We have to take down next 0. 60 divided by 8 is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Subtraction. 60 minus 56 is 4. We have to take down next 0. So we have 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. So we see that we finish long division. Because we finish long division, we can say that our decimal is terminating decimal. And 7 over 8, we rewrite that this is 0.875. So can write that this is terminating decimal. Why? Because we finish long division. This is my solution.